Have you ever wondered what it's like to explore South Korea? Let's begin our journey in the heart of this vibrant nation, Seoul, a city that pulses with life, where skyscrapers tower over centuries-old palaces and temples, a testament to a country that values its heritage as much as its modern advancements. Our first stop is Gyeongbokgung Palace, an architectural marvel that takes you back to the Joseon dynasty. As you stroll through its expansive grounds, you can almost hear the whispers of ancient tales carried by the wind. It's a place where history comes alive, painting vivid pictures of royal life in the past. We then move on to Myeongdong Street, a bustling artery of Seoul. It's a shopper's paradise, an Epicurean delight, and a hub of fashion and technology. Here, neon lights illuminate the way, while the aroma of street food vendors fills the air. Myeongdong is not just a street, it's an experience, a vibrant testament to Seoul's love for life. Next, we ascend to the Seoul Tower, a beacon that watches over the city. From its observation deck, you're greeted with a panoramic view that takes your breath away. As day turns into night, Seoul transforms into a sea of twinkling lights, a spectacle that leaves you spellbound. But Seoul isn't just about the landmarks, it's about the people, their stories, their smiles. It's about the harmony of the old and the new, the traditional and the modern. It's about the rhythm, the pulse, the very lifeblood of South Korea. Seoul, a city that effortlessly marries the old with the new, serving as a testament to the country's resolute spirit. As we peel back the layers of this incredible city, we find a heart that beats with passion, resilience, and an unwavering love for its heritage. This is Seoul, the heart of South Korea, a city that invites you to discover its secrets, to lose yourself in its rhythm, and to become a part of its story. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? But South Korea is more than just its capital. Its soul lies in its rich culture and traditions. Delving deeper into the heartland of South Korea, we find ourselves immersed in a world of vibrant traditions and arts, where past and present coexist in a beautiful harmony. Here, the traditional Korean arts, a reflection of the nation's spirit and creativity, come alive in nuanced brushstrokes, intricate pottery designs, and the rhythmic cadences of pansori, a traditional form of storytelling through music. A significant part of Korean culture is the hanbok, the traditional Korean dress. With its elegant lines, vibrant colors, and the graceful sway of the fabric, hanbok is more than just clothing. It's a symbol of Korean identity, a reflection of its aesthetic sensibilities, and a testament to its sartorial history. Whether it's a festive occasion, a special ceremony, or a simple day out in a palace ground, donning a hanbok allows not just Koreans but anyone to experience a slice of Korean tradition. And then, there's the tranquility of traditional tea ceremonies. More than just the act of drinking tea, these ceremonies are a spiritual journey, an exercise in mindfulness. The meticulous process from the gentle heating of the water to the careful steeping of tea leaves and finally the serene act of savoring the brew, each step is a celebration of the present moment, a tribute to the art of slow living. In Korean society, these traditions aren't relics of the past confined to museums or textbooks. They are an essential part of everyday life, a source of national pride, and a way of life handed down through generations. They are seen, felt, and experienced in the bustling streets of Seoul, the rustic villages of the countryside, the modern classrooms, and the traditional hanok homes. These traditions, passed down through generations, are the threads that weave the colorful tapestry of Korean society. They remind us that while South Korea is a nation racing towards the future, it firmly holds on to its rich cultural heritage, creating a unique blend that truly defines what it means to be Korean. And what's a journey without experiencing the local cuisine? As we delve into South Korea's culinary delights, you'll soon discover that food here is more than just nourishment. It's a vibrant tapestry woven with rich traditions, diverse flavors, and an unmistakable zest for life. From bustling food markets to serene tea houses, and from humble roadside stalls to elegant fine dining, every culinary experience is an adventure waiting to unfold. As the sun sets, the streets of Seoul come alive with the sizzle of street food. Crispy hotteok pancakes filled with gooey sweetness, tantalizing tteokbokki with its spicy allure, and the smoky aroma of gochujang Korean barbecue filling the air. But the gastronomic journey doesn't stop at street food. Dive deeper into the heart of Korean cuisine and you'll find a plethora of dishes that have stood the test of time. Bibimbap, a colorful medley of vegetables, meat, and a perfectly fried egg, all brought together with a dollop of spicy gochujang. Or japchae, a symphony of flavors and textures with glass noodles, stir-fried vegetables, and tender slices of beef. And let's not forget the royal cuisine of Korea, a feast for the senses that was once exclusive to the royal court. Imagine a table laden with a multitude of dishes, each meticulously prepared and artfully presented. Take a bite and you'll taste the harmony of flavors, the balance of yin and yang, the philosophy of Korean food. South Korea also offers unique dining experiences that go beyond the food itself. Try a traditional Hanjeong-sik meal, a lavish spread of small dishes, each representing a different element of Korean cuisine. Or visit a local makgeolli house, where you can pair this traditional rice wine with hearty Korean fare. So, whether you're a foodie or not, South Korea's culinary landscape promises an adventure for your taste buds. From the first bite to the last morsel, every meal is an invitation to explore, to savor, and to fall in love with the heart and soul of Korea. Now let's not forget about the global phenomenon that is K-pop. It's more than just music, it's a cultural tidal wave that swept across the globe, captivating millions with its infectious melodies, synchronized dance routines, and visually stunning music videos. From BTS to Blackpink, K-pop idols are not merely artists, they're global ambassadors, bridging cultural divides and bringing the world a little closer together. But it's not just K-pop that's making waves. Korean dramas, or K-dramas, have also garnered a massive international following. These compelling shows, with their intricate plots and emotional depth, have a way of drawing you in, making you laugh, cry, and everything in between. They're not just television shows.